everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the integrated terminal in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. This feature lets you run commands, scripts, and servers without leaving your editor. First, open Visual Studio Code on your PC. Now go to the top menu and click the terminal. As you can see, a terminal panel will open at the bottom of your screen. Here you can type commands just like you would in Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Mac Terminal. You can also use a shortcut to open it faster. Press Ctrl backtick key next to the number 1 key to open or hide the terminal instantly. This is a great way to stay inside VS Code while working on your projects more efficiently. And that's it! Thanks for watching!